Greetings friends. We are Anonymous. On Thursday, September 1st on Wall Street, a small group of demonstrators were met with police intimidation while performing a peaceful and legal occupation of a public sidewalk. 9 were arrested for disorderly conduct and later released without charge. One demonstrator was held for 24 hours because he was unable to provide proof of residency. This demonstration was intended to serve as a one-night test run for the September 17th occupation using the legal encampment strategy. According to a federal court ruling in 2000, the use of public sleeping as a means of symbolic expression is allowed on public sidewalks in New York City. Despite fully obeying the law, demonstrators were still met with police violence and intimidation. This event serves to remind us that we're living in a police state with absolutely no respect for the right of the people to peacefully assemble and exercise their constitutional free speech. But we will not be scared away or deterred. This abuse of authority by the NYPD only serves to strengthen our resolve and reinforce our belief that corruption and injustice in America must be fought. Our mission is as follows. On the 17th of September, we want to see 20,000 people flood into Lower Manhattan, set up tents, kitchens, peaceful barricades and occupied Wall Street for a few months. Once there, we shall incessantly repeat one simple demand in a plurality of voices, and we will not leave until that demand has been met. Like our brothers and sisters in Egypt, Greece, Spain, and Iceland, we plan to use the revolutionary Arab Spring tactic of mass occupation to restore democracy in America. We also encourage the use of nonviolence to achieve our ends and maximize the safety of all participants. We are Anonymous. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Wall Street, expect us.
We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.
Hello citizens of the world, we are Anonymous. Dear brothers and sisters, now is the time to open your eyes and expose the truth. Anonymous logo and slogan has been defiled and registered through the National Institute of Industrial Property, INPI, an online t-shirt company online called Early Flicker or eFlicker has registered the Anonymous slogan and logo and passed it on as their own. Now under French law the company owns the rights to the Anonymous logo and slogan. The company's website is pickeduphop.fr. In a response, the National Institute of Industrial Property said that the conditions seem fulfilled since the mark is registered and it does not seem to have made use. Their arrogance and ignorance of what they have done will not go unpunished. Anonymous will take down any business they have going on the internet, and them 99% will not stop until the registration has been revoked and a public apology has been made. The name of Anonymous will not be the whore of the world. We are Anonymous. We are Legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.